Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. You already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we are going to jump into the look. So first we're going to do these brows. I am using a gel pomade to fill in these brows. This one I always do something different, so I gotta come back and step back from it, make sure it kind of matches up with the other one, because this is the weirdest brow. So now I'm gonna go in and clean up the brows with some foundation that is my skin color. Now we're gonna go in with the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I'm going to be using these two palettes from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna start off with Nana. I'm gonna go in next with the next Juvia's Place palette, the Warrior 2, and I'm gonna pick up Zama. The next color, I'm going back into the Magic palette with that deep orange right there, Zakia. Next, I'm going to go in with the Shayla times ColourPop Proceed with Caution. Got a few new concealers. I went on and got some Juvia's Place concealers and some of the Morphe concealers. And I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place number 9. Y'all know the routine. So now I'm going to use my newfound favorite, the e.l.f. Camouflage Sponge, and blend this concealer out. This sponge is so freaking soft. Concealer number 3. the translucent powder. While that sits, we're gonna go in and put on some lashes. Now we're gonna wipe this powder off. Okay, now we're gonna go in with my handy dandy, trusty, rusty, tried and true Morphe Glamabronze bronzer in the color Supreme. I'll tell you, this bronzer is like, I don't know why it's the truth, but it told you. It is just the perfect amount of warmth in it for these brown skin girls out here. I just did. Let's smoke out that bottom lash line. Gonna go in with the Loreal Waterproof Voluminous Carbon Black. I'm gonna go back into this Warrior palette and grab this Jamata right here. Gerard Cosmetics Lucy highlighter. I'm gonna do like a little bit of the dose of Color Save the Date gloss. Of course, we're gonna set this. And this is the finished look, people. I did a orange crush. That's what we're gonna call it, orange crush. Yeah, we're gonna call this like orange crush. It was just a whole bunch of oranges and that beautiful glitter color from the Shayla ColourPop collab that I used on the Mobile Lip. And yeah, let me know if you like it. Would you try this look? Definitely like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you as always. Until next time, bye.